Is it possible to make a Dairy Queen Blizzard at home? We found this video with 500,000 views from Pop Sugar Foods on YouTube, and they claim that you can make this lovely blizzard in your house. We have our doubts, so let's test it out. 1/4 cup of milk, 3 cups of vanilla ice cream. Put in the blender. Time to mix it all up. And now for the Oreos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mix it all up. Now, to make sure that you're actually successful at making a Dairy Queen Blizzard at home, you have to do the upside down blizzard test. Here we go. Clearly, this recipe doesn't work. I think the only way you can make this work is that after you pour it from the blender into a cup, you're gonna have to stick the cup in the freezer for a couple of hours. But that's not very practical. And if you enjoyed this fail, make sure to subscribe and check out these other great videos.